Stunning architecturally designed contemporary home. Rarely does a home capitalise so brilliantly on light, space and edgy design. This Calca home provides a clever layout, including multiple living areas, maximising of space and a feel of sophistication, all created through simple but effective design. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home's proportions are perfect for the growing family, yet the modern design creates an air of relaxed intimacy throughout. Sprawling ground floor spaces are framed by polished timber floors, which accentuate the sun's rays through the lengthened windows and corner glass wall. The soaring ceilings, superb open-plan living dining areas, study and state-of-the-art Miele kitchen combine to form a home of function and beauty. The landscaped garden includes a pool and covered outdoor patio that embraces Queensland's outdoor lifestyle. The alfresco area is well served with ample tiled space, built-in barbecue with stone bench tops and gas service line included. The 4 built-in large bedrooms are located upstairs and feature carpeted floors throughout. The stunning main suite is the perfect domain for the parents to escape, and accompanying ensuite is sure to impress. The bathrooms feature floor-to-ceiling tiling and there is an oversized walk-in linen cupboard for storage. This home is perfectly located to take advantage of the great public and private schools, while also being close to the shopping and business hubs of Chermside, Kedron and the Brisbane CBD is only a stone's throw away.